It cannot stink, but you smell like cheese. So
you gotta swing my way, but don't believe the hype, babe. I'm always shady, so don't believe the hype, babe.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lee, if you guys did not know already. Hopefully the sound from that like hot tub jacuzzi little thing is not bothering you guys and you guys can hear me. But we're back with another video today. So today I'm going to be filming my affordable hygiene kind of routine, just like things that I've been using for the summertime that I've been really enjoying and I've been loving them. I've been getting compliments, so that's how you know something is working. Once you start getting compliments, that's the jacuzzi stop. Perfect. But once you start getting compliments, that's how you know that like, okay, you got something on your hands. And if you don't know, if you don't stay in Texas, baby, we get 3-digit summers. Like it'd be like 104, 105, 109 type summer. So when you a thick girl, you got cracks and crevices, you know, you got to have you a routine down that works and that you know works for you. So I've made some mistakes, so you don't have to make them, and we're going to talk about that in this video. We're going to talk about some tricks that I've learned along the way too, that just kind of help me stay drier down there, if you know what I mean. And yeah, so if you're interested in knowing what I've been using so far for the summertime to stay, you know, smelling good, especially on the affordable end, please keep on watching. Okay, so I actually forgot to bring it out here with me, but I want to talk about these probiotics first. It really helps with pH balance and everything right here. I put a picture right here. These are like the Good Girl probiotics, y'all. I love these so much. Every time I might even think I got a little yeast, a little, I don't know, something is off when I'm on my period, I kind of try to take them every day. But if I don't remember to take them every day, because you know, you just fall off your routine sometimes, whenever I feel like my pH is off just even a tad, whether it's sex, whether it's underwear, not wearing it, me working out a lot, I'm starting to work out more again, and you know that could throw off your pH with, you know, the material from the workout gear, things like that. I love these vitamins. They're so good. They get you right, keep the pH balance. So I highly recommend that. I want to start kind of internal, so from the inside out. So yeah, as just a woman, you always want to make sure you're taking a good, it's either prebiotic or probiotic. I believe pro, but yes, I don't have it with me, but I believe probiotic. Make sure you're taking your probiotic to, you know, make sure you're regulating that pH balance from the inside out. So yeah. So me, I'm still a bar soap girl. I like to wash my body with bar soap first before I start to get into the body washes. So I always use the Dove Originals body wash. Not body wash. So I always use the Dove Original body bar. I feel like it makes my body get really clean first, and then I go in with all my smell goods, unscented. It keeps my pH top tier. I don't have any issues with that. So yeah, highly recommend if you don't use it already. Like I said, these are not a lot of new products, but it's just been what's working for me. So if you have more sensitive skin, things like that, as me just growing up, it's crazy though, when I was younger I did not like this soap. Like it broke me out so bad, but then I tried it again as an adult, love it. I feel the cleanest whenever I use that soap. So yeah, the Dove bar. So now we're gonna move on to body wash. So we're gonna take it back in the day, a good old Dove, okay, good old Dove. I've used Native and things like that, but baby, it's the summertime. Like I said, 3-digit summers, okay? So we can't play around with the natural, baby. Give me something real. So I've been using the Dove Restoring, and it has coconut and coconut butter, so skin feel really soft when I'm in the shower, out the shower. I love the way this smells. I don't know, I like smelling coconut and vanilla-y now. Like that's kind of like my go-to lately, even though I know usually you want to reach for the vanillas and things, I guess, more in the winter time. But I don't know, I've been loving it with the summer. So this has been my go-to product. Like I literally love this one. As you can see, it's getting skinny because baby, I've been using it. And even though it's coconut still gives you that summer vibe. So this is definitely what I've been grabbing in the shower while I'm showering. I love this body wash. Okay, so next is body scrubs, y'all. I've been loving the Tree Hut Coca Colada scent. This has been smelling so good. Like I said, I'm into the coconuts and the vanilla scents these days. This has been my favorite one. I think this is my 3rd time buying this scent, no cap. It's so good. If you've never tried it, try it, okay? Yeah, Tree Hut has plenty of different good smelling scents, but this has been my favorite, and these two together, they complement each other so well. So yeah, definitely get on this. So something else I want to talk about is drinking lemon water. Like I feel like a cup of iced lemon water every day, it just kind of deodorizes you from inside out to me. Like when I was working at Amazon, I worked at Amazon in the summer, so I'm working in a warehouse sweating, and just being a woman, you want to make sure that pH is good. And when I tell you the things that I feel like lemon water has done for my pH, I know people use it as a detox and things like that, but for me, I feel like it's always made my vag like, it makes it smell good, also taste good. Like if you're consistent with it, like I used to drink it every single day, because I mean I'm at Amazon damn near every single day. So speaking of looking good, smelling good, tasting good, we have a sponsor today. So what do y'all think is in this black box? It's nice, black, sleek, discreet, so when it comes to your door, no one will know what this is. But you know, like I said, we're looking good, tasting good. It's the summertime, you know, we're doing wild things. We hot girls, you know, we getting lit, we living life. And you know, sometimes you want to spice it up, and that is what this package is gonna allow us to do. So this is so funny. So this company reached out to me. I'm honestly not sure how to say the name, so I don't want to butcher it, so I'm gonna put it across the screen, and of course the links will be in the description box. But they sent me a finger vibrator. So yeah, it also comes with a remote, so you and a partner can also play with this as well. So this has 9 different speeds, so however you like it, baby. You like it fast, you like it slow, you like a little rhythm, you like a little mixture, it has that. So it comes with a little instruction manual, just in case you want some extra tips and tricks on how to use it. But yes, it's fully waterproof, it's very small and discreet. I honestly feel like if you wear the right underwear, well, it depends on how big your thing is, but if you wear the right underwear and have this remote, you can like spice up date night with this too. I kind of want to try it just to see if it fits. Like I said, I don't think you can wear a dress because you don't want it to actually accidentally fall out. But if you wear like, I don't know, use your imagination. But it's very compact. It fits perfectly within your finger, so you know you can stroke yourself, or your partner can, you know, do what it needs to do. Now, from experience, babes, so I'm not too experienced with toys. This is actually my first one ever. I've never tried a toy before, and this was cool, cute, whatever. But I will say, you guys, charge it before you use it, because I actually used it for the first time with someone else, and it died on us. It died on us within like maybe 2 minutes. So yeah, girl, make sure that make sure you charge it before you use it. But yeah, if you guys are trying to spice some things in the bedroom, if you're trying to spice things up for yourself, baby girl, get on this, okay? Very affordable. It's found on Amazon. Like I said, the links to this, let me not just wave this around, very intense. So yeah, girl, very intense. It has different speeds, different rhythms. Yeah, yes, and like I said, it comes with a remote, so you know, you and your partner, y'all can have fun. You can hold it and they can control it. You can have endless, it's very much so endless possibilities with this small little toy. So yeah, you guys, like I said, information and all information, discount code, everything will be in the description box for you guys to enjoy. And like I said, girl, it's summertime, spice it up, you know, with your boo, with yourself, however you want to do it, they got you. So yeah, so back to the products. Next is my deodorant that I've been using this summer. I've been loving, and it's crazy, I actually, like, I never use spray deodorant, but y'all remember when I went to go see Ken the Man in Austin? Y'all remember what I used to do in Austin? If you was there, you was there. If not, you wasn't. Then if you wasn't there, I had to freshen up in the bathroom, and I had to go run and buy products to just, you know, get me right real quick, because like me going to go see Ken the Man was very spontaneous. I didn't know it was happening. It happened, but I had to go fresh up, and I did not have a way to take a shower at the time. So I got this spray deodorant, and girl, this is my favorite one. It's the scent, I guess, Cool Essentials. I don't know, I guess that's the spray, but the green one smells so good. It lasts for me. You don't have to worry about having that deodorant clumps. All the natural shit is cute, but like I said, I'm thick, I sweat, I got cracks, I got crevices. and I need something that's gonna do me right, and this has been doing me so right. I ain't been musty a day in summertime yet, so yes ma'am, go out and get this if you guys have not tried it, or if you guys don't really use spray deodorants. I used to use spray deodorants because I didn't think they work, but they actually do, and it's just so convenient. You can pack it with you and just shit, if you want to, and if you want to do a wraparound, do you a wraparound. Like if this all you got on you, hey, it's gonna be a deodorant, it's gonna be a body spray. And you want to know something else? Is this doesn't give like no type of white cast. This can be a dual purpose. You can also use this as a deodorant, but you can also use this as a hair perfume, because it's not going to, like, you know, make a white line in your hair. So you, like I said, we outside, we rolling backwoods, we smoking a hookah, and y'all know that shit stays in your hair, especially with my girls with braids. We don't really wash these, so to make sure that it's always smelling fresh, hey, I've done it. I've hit a little wraparound with this one if I had to, and it works. So yeah, take that tip with you, and don't tell me I ain't never told y'all nothing, okay? Okay, you guys, so next is moisturizer, and I'm very careful with moisturizer in the summertime because, like I said, it's very hot out here, it's very humid. You can feel very sticky, very greasy easily. So I'm not really a body oil girl in the summer, but I have been loving this. Believe the hype. The EOS Shea Butter 24-hour body body lotion in the scent Vanilla Cashmere. Y'all, this scent smells so good. It's so strong. Oh my god, it gives your skin like a nice little glow. If you like Fenty body butter, this is a great dude. And the scent, it has a scent. Like the Fenty body butter, the original one, doesn't really have much of a scent, but this, it gives you a nice enough sheen. I don't know if you guys can tell because I'm outside, but it gives you a nice enough sheen. Like you look moisturized. You don't look very greasy, but I look moisturized, and it works so well. I love it. The moisture stays on it. I like to put it on whether I'm about to run out the house, at the end of the night when I'm getting into my bed, to smell good and just to feel moisturized. I wake up still feeling moisturized from this. And I think the Fenty is, I believe, like $34, I believe. This was like $9. Believe the hype. So run to Target, your drugstore, wherever they sell this. I got mine from Target, and get it. They have other scents. I honestly have not smelled other scents, so I'm not gonna say that the other scents aren't good. Try them out. Let me know if you use the other scents, and let me know if you think they're good. But baby girl, get this. I promise, it's so good. Like sometimes you think, because I know a lot of people be sponsored by them, so sometimes you don't know, but me, a regular girl just like you, believe the hype. It's so good. Okay. So since we're on the affordable side, I have a body spray. I actually found this while packing, and like I said, you know, you got a good combination going when you get a compliment. My best friend was at my house. I had just got the shower. I used all these products that I showed you guys before of my shower, you know, little 1-2, but then I sprayed this. I actually found this while I was moving. It's the, I guess you say it, Gingham, I don't know, but this one from Bath and Body Works, this body spray, y'all, this smells so good. And it does not smell like coconut, it doesn't smell like vanilla, but it complements the coconut and vanilla smell so well. Like this isn't coconut or vanilla either, but these two work together well with like everything else that I showed y'all that had like a coconut or vanilla base. You feel me? So yes, Bookie, yes, this body spray smells so good. It's very strong. It has a very strong like fragrance to it. I don't know how to describe the smell. If I can maybe go online and maybe, let's see if I can find the notes. Okay, so it has notes of blue freesia, I don't know what that means, white peach, fresh clementine, violet, and clean musk. But it smells really clean. So that clean, it complements all the vanilla, and it just works together so well. Like it's so crazy. Okay, you guys, so I have 2 more things to show you guys, and then we are gonna be done. So these are more like tips, especially for my thicker girls, especially for my thick ones that don't like to wear panties, i.e. me, and I know I ain't the only one. So my best friend actually taught me this trick, and it's literally the best thing I have ever heard. So we have a tampon, and I know you think tampons are like for just one time of the month. No. So she told me that like she likes to wear them when she's not on her period. Sometimes when she's like going out or needs to stay drier, she will put a tampon up her, you know, 1-2, and it helps you stay drier. Because I mean, if you got a juicy cooch, if you know, sweat down there, it cannot stink, but you smell like coochie. So that's what this does. So try it. I tried it and it literally worked. Okay, you guys, so I had to come home because one, it started raining. Two, girl, them people was being so loud. Them kids, they decided to come right in the front where I was. It's like, you want to get in the hot tub? Like, y'all was playing in the pool just fine, and y'all weren't even playing there that long. And then the little girl is just staring at me while I'm just waving this tampon around, and I'm just like, really? But then it started raining too, so I'm just like, you know what? We're just gonna come home. We're just gonna film the last little bit. So yeah, girl, if you got a juicy cooch, use a tampon, especially if you are not wearing panties that night. Like, great trick, and love her down for exposing me to that, because yes ma'am. Second thing is wipes. Now, not these specifically. These are like the flushable, you know, toilet ones. I mean, if you want to carry these around, that's fine as well. But maybe something more compact. I recommend the Down There wipes. I don't have any with me at the moment, but I do use those, especially in the summertime if I know I'm out. And not even just wipe up your vag. You want to get in that booty too. Because, I mean, like I said, you thick is back. The ass cheeks is... So, you know, with all that friction going on, you know, you in that dress, you just want to make sure it stays smelling fresh. That rhymes. And yeah, so I highly recommend wipes, the Down There wipes. I'll link them. And I know that they say like they have like certain scents. I only do like rose. I don't do nothing else. It's hard to come by the unsensitive ones though. At least in my experience, maybe where you are, you guys can find them. But in my experience, it's very hard to come by the sensitive ones. But if I cannot find the sensitive ones and it's like, girl, I need these, I go with the rose, and that has never done me wrong either. So I'm not saying for you guys to go get that, but I'm saying it's never done me wrong, done me bad, or whatever like that. So yeah, definitely recommend wipes. They saved my life. And like I said, when you got stuff going on, you got to make sure everything is fresh, dry, things like that. Okay, so I have one more product to show you guys, and I honestly have never truly used this product, but I want to recommend it to you guys just in case some of you have like an arm insecurity. I do sometimes, I don't. I'm working on it. It's hereditary for me, and it's just, it is what it is. But sometimes I care, more times I don't. So my sister actually got this for me and told me I should tell you guys about this, but I never actually used it because one, the color is off, and two, like I said, I sometimes care, more times I don't. But if you're someone who has like an arm insecurity and you have like really dark, and you guys have like darker armpits or, you know, stretch marks that you might want to cover up, this is a deodorant concealer. It's by this company called Joban. Here we go, Joban. I'll link them down below. And yeah, so I think it's a super cool idea. If you feel like you might be into something like that, I highly recommend that. The scent I got is citrus vanilla. It smells good. It's not nothing too strong. And I feel like if you want to still use your real deodorant just to make sure you good, the spray deodorant will work perfectly because it doesn't leave much of a white cast for you. So yeah, girl. So yeah, girl, that's everything. Not too much to keep up with at all. I keep it real simple but effective. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, girl. I would greatly appreciate that. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for tuning in to another video, and especially if you made it this far. If you made it this far, put the swimsuit recipe. No. Put the swimsuit emoji if you made it to the end of the video. And if you did, thank you so much. I'm very grateful for you. And yeah, I love you guys so much one more time for the millionth time. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.